For this video, I drive just about every mile of freeway in the Flint Metro Area. I start the video heading north on 75 from the junction with I-69. From there, we'll head east on 475, which then turns south to go right through the heart of the vehicle city. 475 is also called the almighty UAW Freeway. Not just the UAW Freeway, people, the almighty UAW Freeway. Gotta pay respect to the union that ruined your city, right? The United Auto Workers Union started as a good thing to help improve the once deadly working environment in these auto factories, but over time the union abused their power and General Motors had no option other than to relocate their manufacturing elsewhere. In recent years, some higher-ups within the union were reported to have stolen millions of dollars, so ultimately the UAW ended up being just as corrupt as they've accused the auto manufacturers to have been. Got caught calling the kettle black there, huh? Well, enough of that talk for this video. And if you want to hear more about how the auto industry died in Detroit and Flint, make sure to check out my Detroit playlist or my Flint playlist, as I have other videos where I talk more about the issue. You just can't make any video about Flint without talking about the UAW or General Motors.
Nope.
It's impossible, I tell you. Well, we got a little bit off track there. And after taking 475 through the middle of Flint, we'll then take 69 east from the airport to Davison. Meanwhile, we're on 75 north, and it actually bypasses Flint. 75 only goes through the Flint city limits for a brief moment just south of here, near the airport. I'm lame though, and I didn't include that stretch in this video. But Genesee County makes up the entirety that is the Flint Metro Area, and the region isn't very big, but it's not necessarily tiny either. It's home to just over 400,000 people, even though that number continues to drop. Other metro areas similar in size includes Fort Wayne, Indiana, which is now bigger than Flint for the first time ever and will probably continue to be as Fort Wayne continues to grow and Flint continues to shrink. In Ohio, the Canton metro area is very similar in size, and it's also a shrinking Rust Belt metro area just like Flint is. In Illinois, the Peoria metro area is just slightly smaller than the Flint metro area, and Peoria is actually shrinking faster than Flint is. So even though the city of Flint has had its struggles, there's actually a good handful of cities that surround Flint that offer a much better quality of life, meaning low crime rates, affordable housing, and good schools. The one flaw that all of Genesee County communities share in common, however, is the job market, as Flint's job market just flat out sucks. No other way to put it, really. Anyway, we're now going to head through Flint on the UAW Freeway as it heads due east from here before heading due south and heading right through the heart of Flint. Well, really quick, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, as doing all of those things helps these videos destroy the evil monster that is the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. Well, I'll tell you what, it's not just the weather, but even on a sunny day driving through on the UAW freeway, you get a real sense of doom and gloom. You really are able to capture the depressing vibes that the city of Flint has. And I don't mean that disrespectfully. I know some of you residents will take that personally because someone always does. But what I mean by that is you see some of the closed factories, you see the Flint water plant. Everyone knows that Flint had the water crisis and the lead poisoning that made people sick. Very unfortunate thing. And you just see outdated infrastructure. You can see some abandoned buildings from the side of the freeway. It doesn't look good. But that's my take on it. Maybe someone else thinks differently, but I think it's a rather depressing drive going through the city, and it gives you a real Rust Belt city feel. And from here, we skip over towards an area by the airport, and then we head east on 69 through the Flint Metro Area. And oh yes, it's the almighty Flint skyline, and the only one building that you can see from this angle. Alright, party's over now, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, as doing all of those things helps these videos destroy the evil monster that is the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell and select yes so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this video, then you might enjoy checking out some of the featured playlists on this channel. Videos with amazing insights on other places like what you saw here can be found in my Flint playlist or in my Michigan playlist. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. We'll see you next time. Peace!